Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are making slime. So before we start, make sure you guys smash that button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We have a guest. Oh, we're not just making slime. We're doing the mystery wheel of slime challenge. And here's our guest.
Hi! I'm weird.
Yeah.
Okay,
so I found this app on the App Store.
Well, no God.
Well, I could have just pulled it from outer space. It's called the Random Picker app. I don't know if you can get it on an Apple, but you can get it on, let's see.
Samsung?
Anyways, we have this line, Weel. So, round one, rock, paper, scissors, who sees this? Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first.
Dang it!
You kind of have to try it. Blue food coloring.
Ooh, that's gonna be great, McGrady.
Okay.
2 dots.
Your turn.
Wait, did I just tap it?
Yeah.
There we go. Accident spun your phone. Glue! Yay!
That's white glue.
Oh, I don't get to choose?
No. There's.
I hate this.
I hate you. Okay. Brown. You can take off the
Okay,
lid,
good.
smart one.
Oh, I didn't know if you want me to.
Okay. Round two. I'm gonna go out. She's adding in her glue.
Is that
Violet food coloring. Don't do a lot, Lexi.
Oh, oops,
You're
sorry.
adding in more than just one type of glue. If you get it.
Oops.
Wait, I got violet food coloring.
You're gonna have a pretty color.
Whoa!
That looks so cool, bro.
What happened to the bubble? Your turn.
Hold on. Phone's being stupid.
You have to tap it hard. Smart one. Ooh.
Violet glue. I added way too much glue. So.
Okay, round
Oh,
three.
that looks so pretty. I want to put it so much, but I'm not gonna.
Lotion. Hopefully I actually get to make a slime this time, because last time I did it, it didn't work.
Yeah. Mine hopefully is gonna sign because I have enough glue. Just
Okay, do round three. You take for.
Sorry.
Lexi, watch it. You got glue again. Finish that one off if you want to. Okay, round four.
Hey, I'm adding glue, so you can't get mad.
Activator, yes. Actually, the problem is I don't have any glue right now, so. Oh my
I
gosh.
think a drop came out, so I'm good.
Okay, I got the lid off.
Brown, gotta be careful.
I don't know how much to add in.
Yeah, because you don't have
So
glue.
once you get activated, you get unlimited activator.
Yeah.
Until the round's over. So. Yellow food. Oh, God.
Dang! I hate you. How many rounds are we doing?
We're doing 10. 10 spins.
How many have we done?
This will be the 5th one once you finish. Okay, 5.
There. I did a drop.
Are you flipping kidding me? Am I going to get all the food coloring and lotion and activator and no glue?
I bet. Can I go?
Yeah. I added in a lot of green. This is going to be an ugly slime. Go ahead.
Ha ha.
So
I'm actually going to like this one because
you can actually take off the lid thingy. Now use your head.
Shut up. I hate you.
Do you make slime like this and squeeze it out?
Yes.
That's retarded.
No, I'm joking.
Okay. I'm doing round 6, guys. Or
Are
spin
you
6.
sure there's any paint in here?
I'm sure. Silver. Glitter glue! I got glue.
I hate you. Silver glitter glue. Can't just say glitter glue. Bro, nothing's
Well, there's
coming
blue
out.
glitter glue too.
I know. That's why I added the silver. Bro, nothing's coming out.
I'm gonna do.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty. Maybe because you have the green.
It's gonna be sparkly. Okay. You can add it in later. Just put the lid back on and set it upside down. Okay. Do you want me just
No, let me tap.
start tap it with your finger. Like that.
I'm not trying to tap.
You were going like this instead of like this. That's how you have to tap it.
More violet glue.
Okay, this is
Bro, I
bin
hate
number
you.
7. I have to think about that one. No, I forgot.
It's not gonna work, bro. I feel like you're gonna break it. If it works, just hand it here because I need it.
Hey, I got a dot.
That's not gonna be enough to make it glow in the dark, though, bro.
It doesn't even matter.
Okay, that's mine.
Let's see. Do it later.
Put it in right now. You help me. Put it in.
Okay.
Oh, phone.
Got a drop. You got more than I did. But
Haha, sucker.
I don't care. So I'm gonna go. Was that your turn?
Yes.
Okay.
I haven't got activator yet.
Oh, they can't see.
Blue.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys what my slime looks like. It's really ugly because there's green food coloring, blue food coloring. I'm gonna go for round number 8.
Please tell me I get
If this
activated.
retarded thing spins, oh god, this thing is sensitive. Are you really flipping me right now? I seriously got silver glitter glue again. You take off the lid.
No, because I don't want that much. I did it on purpose, bro. Blue, bro.
Blue. I'm blue. Blue dabba.
Please be activator. Please be activator. I got same thing again. If I don't get activator, can I please add activator?
Well, you have to mix it and then see what it looks like without it, and then you guys vote. And then after that, you can add an activator to see what it would look like if it had activator. What?
So, how am I supposed to do that? There, put
Okay.
some.
Round number 9.
Wait, didn't you just put in stuff?
Yeah? Oh. It's your turn. Respin.
Can I just, okay.
I said respin. I'm
I hate this.
Just put
Red?
a lot and you'll get purple.
Alright.
Or pink.
That might be a little much.
It'll be fine. Okay, round number 9.
You just said round number 9.
I don't care. I can say whatever I want.
Can I please have that? That's mine. So
No, no.
use the round number 10, because this is round number 10. I say
No,
that
this
we
is
spin
7.
for each other.
This is 7.
No, it's not.
I mean, this is a 9. Fine.
We just did
Fine,
9.
you can have it. I want more glue.
Mom,
Yes, I got blue diamonds. Okay.
I hate you.
That's your problem. You want it activated.
But I need that. You won't freaking come off.
Gotta do this.
Oh, that makes sense.
It's your turn.
I might need a lot of activator.
Don't, but see, oh my god, you're gonna lose. You overactivated it.
Bro, did you see how much glue I had,
I
though?
know, but remember, you have infinite activator now, so you got it. And it doesn't twist, you push it. Don't do it, though. Don't! Oh my god, I said, just spin.
She's gonna hate me.
You're spinning for me now. I'll do it myself, then.
More silver glitter glue.
That's okay with me. At least it'll be silver, or maybe not.
Yeah, you never know.
It could be whatever. It could still be glitter glue. Or glitter glue. Glitter slime.
Blues like be pebbles or something. Pink. Maybe I did put enough activator. So you know what? I'm actually put a lot of pink glue.
Don't do all of it though. We still have 2 more rounds.
Oh.
Okay, since that was the last spin, I'm going to start mixing.
Oh, this looks so pretty. I want to do it forever.
I don't like pink. Not pink.
Bro, I want pink.
It's gonna be turquoise. Yeah.
I hate you.
What colors did I get? I got blue, green,
And violet.
and violet.
Oh, bro. Bro, this is not slime. This is not slime. That's all the pink. It's all the freaking pink.
There's a glue bubble in there.
It's all
Just stab it. You gotta stab it. Pop all the glue bubbles. It'll be slime, trust me. I think I need more activator, but I'm not really sure right now because it's still not mixed in. Yep, gonna need more activator. Lexi, don't go in with your hands yet. Will you take the lid off the activator and pour me some activator? Oh, can you pause the camera so we can do a slime reveal? Okay, guys. So I'm just cleaning up the table so we can get on to the next time in a little bit. She added in a lot of activator, so I tried fixing it, and it's still pretty bad. But so she didn't get lotion, so she can't really like add any lotion in and try to fix it. So I mean, it turned out pretty good for how much activator she put in. Like I said, just clean up the table so it's clean for next time. So yeah, that's all. Okay, guys, I'm doing my slime reveal. So Lexi, don't let them
on you. But tell them that we cleaned up everything and well, they are in.
We cleaned everything up because I took them off camera while you were in the bathroom. So mine has a good click and a good stretch. That was bad. Insta slime. Or Insta slime. Insta swirl.
Insta swirl. Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Okay, one more time.
I don't think you know how to do it very well.
I do. I just can't. I don't know what.
Mine isn't that stretchy.
Insta swirl.
That's actually pretty good.
Hashtag
M.
silver for me.
Silver?
Put hashtag
teal.
Silver. Glitter glue wins. I don't know. Yeah.
Just do something like that.
It's ridiculous.
Okay. And for mine, here's the poke. It's not very good.
Do you want me to poke it for you?
No.
I'm way better at poking you for.
I just threw it. Okay, then for stretch, it's not that. Actually, that's actually pretty good. See, it's still stretchy. Oh shoot! It went to the length of my arms. Okay.
Do you know who the Ace family is?
Maybe, bro. It's rolling.
Did you look at my phone?
Yeah.
Is that how you saw the
Password?
No. Never. Just do.
This. Oh crap. Let me retry that since you had like 5 of those.
I only did it twice. Twice we tried.
I think it was 3.
Third time was the charm. It's all pink glue.
Well, that's mine is horrible. I don't care.
Okay, go put yours on the cookie sheet.
And do hashtag pink glue for mine.
Fudge, it turned off. Hurry, Lexi.
Please.
We're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Oh, we need sticks.
Yeah, duh.
Don't yeah, dummy, you duh-hole.
Duh-hole? Duh-hole.
Duh-hole.
I'm like,
duh-hole.
Oh, yeah. The day before Christmas break, right before we got out of school, I broke up with my boyfriend. That was so much fun. Then he texted me, you can't break up with me. Yeah.
Watch me do it.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why do I always
Okay, round 1. I am getting yellow flippin' food coloring.
Hey.
Food coloring again, first time.
Huh?
I'm only doing a drop. Your turn, go.
Yeah.
Oh, you got green.
Green's better than yellow.
Look how pretty this is.
That's not pretty.
You have problems.
Well, it depends how light.
Look it, I did it last time by myself and I did 2 rounds and these are the colors that I ended up getting.
Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, then mine. Hurry, go, bro.
Round 2.
You have to hit.
I don't want money. Actually, I do. I just don't. It's retarded app. Lotion! Okay, so we made a deal. Oh, I'm going to say that if we get activator lotion, we have infinite of that.
Yeah.
Because we kind of need lotion if you added too much activator. Oh my god! We have to switch. No, I don't get infinite lotion now! Round 3. That's 2. That's 3. Okay. Okay. Sponge. It's gonna be green! Yay! I hate silver glitter glue. Oh gosh, I want lotion. I forgot that I put a switch up on there.
Green food coloring.
Yellow and green egg. Orange.
No.
Wait. Hey Google, what does yellow and green make?
What does yellow and green make? Hey, it worked.
Oh gosh, that's a lot.
According to Wikipedia, when red and green combine, the result is yellow. When red and blue combine, the result is magenta.
Did I ask for red and green? No, yellow and
Bro,
green.
just fix your phone. I do. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
I have apple, so mine's better.
Siri's weird. I'm just kidding. I like Siri. Are you freaking kidding me right now?
Lotion again.
We can take if we want to. We only get 2 takes though.
What do you mean?
Like, I can take your ingredient if I want it. You already have lotion, so I'm going to take the lotion.
Okay, so
Okay.
then you go again. That's unfair.
You can take if you want. If you
I'm gonna. If it's glue, I'm gonna. Once. No, I take.
Oh, shit. You don't even have any glue.
I know, shut up.
Okay, your turn. I can take one more time if I want to, so she can cheat. Ooh, I have a cough drop in my pocket. Oh no, I lost one.
Bro, look.
And it's the gross kind.
Look. Mine's gonna be sparkly. Go.
Oh wait, maybe it's in
Oh wait, no, it's my turn.
Ew! The cough drop melted in my pocket.
Oh, violet food coloring.
No, it was mine. No, never.
No,
it
because
was
I
your
stole
turn.
yours.
This is
You got so
confusing
happy
now.
when I stole it, suckerfish.
Lexi, look, the cough drop legitly melted.
Really? I think this violet likes doing bubbles.
It melted.
It's gross, bro.
Oh, there's a trash can in here.
Holy good.
Get off. Have you tried the guacamole Takis?
No, that sounds gross.
They're super good. They're not even hot.
Bro, I think Seth is more hot to you than me. Just saying.
Oh, fudge my food.
Who
Who was that? Oh my gosh, that scared me. Have you guys seen that video? That wasn't me.
Go.
Did you go twice?
No, because remember I stole yours.
Okay, just checking.
Yellow food coloring.
Are you serious? I'm gonna get everything that she gets. Do you want to steal? Please steal.
No. Blue diamonds. Do you want to steal?
No.
You really don't want blue diamonds?
No, because I'm gonna save myself for activator. Boom! What if none of us get activator?
Oh, that's gonna suck. That's gonna be sparkly. No, seriously, look, guys. That's. Go.
No, it's your turn. Oh no, it's not. This is too confusing now. This is gonna mess up the rounds.
Red food coloring.
We'll just. Have I stole anything? I stole the lotion.
Yeah. Sorry, I had it.
I'll steal, I guess. No.
Yay, thank
No.
you. No, please.
Wait, I'll be right back. I have to. You do something. Ow, I ran into the door. That's not funny. That hurt. Okay.
So, will you please?
I just punched myself.
Will you please steal? Sorry, I blew diamonds. I've already had that twice. Please.
But If you get it one more time, then you get a respin. Or if you beat me in rock, paper, scissors, shoot, you get to pick whatever item you want.
Where's your phone?
Give it.
Okay, Box, give her her phone. You're welcome. I stole it from the box.
Oh, hey, corn sour. She went in labor.
I don't care.
I don't care about you.
No, bro. The audience doesn't care right now. So are you gonna steal or no?
Actually,
Rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses gets it. Deal?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh! Yeah!
No,
Sucker!
I know. I never agreed. I just did it to see who win.
Nope. Here you go.
You can't make me.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. I can seriously pour it in your spine. Ow!
Don't even.
I have longer arms than you.
I don't care.
McCready, you lost. Come on, bro.
No, but it's your ingredient. You can either add it in, and if you get it done, you can respin, or you can beat me in rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and you automatically get to pick what you want.
I already beat you in rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fine, it's your loss when you don't get activator. Technically, you made me, so technically, I still get an extra.
Yeah, you guess.
Okay.
Yeah,
Be your loss when you don't get activated.
I can still take it from you.
No, you used your 2.
Oh, no, I didn't. I've only taken once. That was
I can't believe it.
That was the blue diamonds. No. Wait, yeah. I still need glue and activator, so this is that. Wait, what round are we on?
I don't know. I lost track because of the tape.
So let's say round. Wait, hold on.
It won't work because you got more items than what you actually originally got. Never mind. Count what you got and -1. Okay, never mind. I can't do that.
So 5.
Okay, so this is 6. You go. I don't even know whose turn it is. I don't think we should take on the next one. I would add that in at the end.
Yeah, can I just add this in at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's how you're supposed to do it anyway.
thank you. Okay.
Just set it over there. You'll remember. I'll help you.
Or will I? Oh, that's in the. Yeah, that's in the view. That's better. Bro, it's in the view.
Oh, this is.
Does that have to be perfect?
Yes, it does. Activator.
I freaking hate you.
You could have took
Too
it.
much.
You could have took it.
Oh, damn.
Too late. I already added it in. Yes, I win. Now, my plan is to seriously, if she gets activated, I'm taking it.
You said I get respect.
No,
you said I get respect.
No, you
I
made
get blue
me.
diamonds
No,
again.
no, but you made me.
Oh.
You have to do blood diamonds now. You made me do that. I told you, if you make me do it, then next time you get it, you have to do it. You should have just let me not do it. Because then you would have either gotten a respin or you could have chosen to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot with me.
I have a feeling mine's just going to be blue diamonds.
That's going to be your slime.
Yep.
You have one still, though, so if I get glue, you can steal it.
Steal. You know I had to. You know it.
I don't even want it. I don't want this silver slime, I guess. It's not even going to be pretty because of the food coloring. Honestly, if you get, like...
I don't care how pretty it is.
But then you might lose. So. Okay, I'm going to go since you stole. So, this is your
No! Yeah, that should be mine. Again.
Okay. My turn now.
Yep.
I spin for her because she's taking forever.
Yeah.
I got glue! Yes! You can't steal now. No more
Yeah,
stealing.
Do you think that's enough glue or can I add more?
You need to put it back.
No, we didn't.
Lexi, just let it go. Let it go, Lexi. Lexi, remember it.
Fine. Let it go.
That's good girl. 1 second, guys. I gotta tell her something. Okay, guys. I told her that she can't cheat. I can't cheat. We made a deal. Okay, right?
Yeah, we can't cheat. I hate this game. No, I'm joking.
What?
Ha, your phone sucks. No, I'm joking.
Your fun size, it's small.
No, it's not. It's small compared to yours. It's actually not that small if you look. Your phone's barely bigger.
Whatever, mine's wider.
Wait, it's my turn. Don't. Okay, I think I'd rather have you spin for me. Watch these blue diamonds and go freaking hate this. More pink blue.
Hey, you wanted more. Be wise about how much you add in.
True.
Pink, blue diamonds, and pink glue. I don't think that looks pretty, but whatever. It's not my slime.
There's also violet purple. Oh, shoot.
It probably will be really... Are you flipping kidding me? I don't need a... Wait, how many times have I got green food coloring? This would be the third time. So after this, I can either make you have it and not get to spin or do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, or I can do that next time I get it.
Wait, how many times have we...
Then we have 2 more. I'm making you have it.
No, you can't do that.
Yeah, you did it to me, but
What?
that means that...
That's a rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, whoever loses gets it. Rock,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes! Ow, I hit the stupid thing up there. Don't hit me. That's your fault, you lost.
I can't hit you.
I hate you too. I think I'm gonna barf now.
Oh, a drop did go in. Huh.
Okay, who's trying to do it?
Mine. Because you just made me have that freaking thing.
What, do you have a problem with green? I love green. I just...
And this. Yes, activator.
I'm taking...
No, you already have it.
Nope, you made me. Remember?
No, you already have activator and you just made me have green.
Yeah, so I can take it if I want to. Lexi!
No, bro, come on.
I'm taking it. I'm taking it.
No, I hate you.
I'll pour it on you.
I'll pour it in your eyes.
Oh my God.
No, my hair. Watch out. Please. McCready. McCready.
I hope you lose.
Huh.
Brat.
Brat, you're the... McCready. I'm going to pause.
Okay. I'm gonna spin.
Oh, I hate you.
Well, you got to add some in. You put it back, but you get infinite activator now.
Yeah.
Ah! I hate food coloring.
Ha.
I'll clean it up. You go.
My hand.
Do you want me to spin for you?
Yes, just spin for me.
You have a problem with my right hand phone?
Yeah.
Okay, write that down now with the...
Switch up. No! No! Yes! Damn it.
Yes, 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 yes. It's my turn. Last round.
Yep.
Something good? More glue, possibly?
Blue diamonds. Sucker fish.
That's not
There you go. And no. No,
I put it
that's
back.
not even open. That's not even open. You have to at least do one thing. Remember, that's going to be your slime.
I'm adding.
That works. You put some in. Oh, shoot.
This thing don't close. I hate glue diamonds. Sucker.
Violet glue.
Okay, I'm gonna mix them now.
Remember we paused it when we mix? Oh, shoot.
Okay, this is what, guess what color you think of mine's gonna be. I think mine's gonna be brown.
Yeah. Guess what color mine's gonna be. Honestly, don't have a clue. Could be like brown. Yeah, bye. Well, we'll get back to you once it's all mixed.
Okay guys, so I'm fixing her, not fixing her slime, but I'm like making her slime for her. She mixed it, it was like super sticky, she didn't have enough activated. So, when she was adding in more okay guys, slime reveal now. So So here's my stretch. And I'm gonna do my click on here because I just cleaned the table. I think I broke the container.
Bro, I forgot adding my color balls.
Oh, go add them in. Okay, she's gonna add it herself. We're not gonna do the click test because the click test. No, okay, I'll just use the bottom of this bowl. Mine doesn't click. Just kidding, it does. Okay, so that'll be my bowl now. This is the stretch. It is a small batch because if you guys don't remember, we got switch up at the end of.
So that's supposed to be mine.
Yeah, so this was supposed to be hers, and mine was supposed to be that one. But do you even know how to add these one of these?
No, I am. I just have to. Oh.
Okay. So she got activator. We both got activator. She gets infinite activator, so she wants the activator.
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
That's gonna spill. Keep going. Okay, it's coming. Okay. So now we're gonna do a fast and swirl, I guess, on my phone. That was kind of bad, but I don't care. So I'm gonna put this over and.
No, not yet.
She's not ready yet, so. BRB!
Wait, so what? Are we doing the poke test or no?
Shit, I forgot. Oh, I said ship, guys. Okay. I forgot to give my slime a name. What color is mine? Mine's purple.
Purple. So just do hashtag P or purple.
Hashtag purple glitter. Hashtag purple blue diamonds.
Right? So, are we doing the poke test or no?
Oh, you can just use the bottom of your bowl. That's my bowl. Your bowl's over there.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. That's my bowl. I want to be on this side now. Actually, never mind.
Okay, mine does not poke.
Are you
Well,
freaking
pokes, but it's not a
kidding
good poke. Then stretch. Mine's actually extremely. It's still stretching. So, mine probably wins the stretching.
This is so freaking retarded.
Oh, swirl. Dang it.
Got it. Wowza, I'm sitting over here.
I know I tried getting her hair.
Brat.
I'm the brat.
B-R-A-T. Brat.
There's no way to make this swirl looks good. Ugh. Ugh. There's no way to make this
call
slime.
it hashtag poopy green.
No, right? So there's my swirl. Nope. Okay. So, if you vote for this, which no one will,
Poopy slime.
No, hashtag color balls. Boom.
Hey, poopy ball.
So,
I
are you ready?
called you poopy ball on accident.
Bro.
Guys, she's a brat.
No, she's a real cat.
B-R-A-T.
So, third round. And most likely she's going to win.
Duh, I'm the slime master. Here today. What do you mean, noob? I've had to help you twice.
We'll be right back.
People. Okay, guys, it is true. I'm not going to lie to my people. Do you want to go home now?
No.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Wait, what time is it? Oh, dang it. I only have like an hour left.
That's your problem. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why did I always do paper?
Because you're stupid.
It's just my instinct.
Can you, like, scoot over?
Green food coloring.
Are you...
Oh. Is that mine?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to spread it around so it's, like, not even doing anything.
Wow. Wow, bro. Wow. I'm just letting mine sit.
Okay, we get 2 stills again. Jesus Christ.
Okay, I'll go. Pink glue. Blue and pink glue.
Nice.
Well, blue.
Yeah, purple.
Yeah. Purple's a good color, right?
If you say so.
I said so.
Did you see how close that was to my phone?
Yeah, bro, you should just like swipe it off.
I will, I just don't know that. I hate that glow in the dark paint now.
I'm not putting much glue in right now. Actually, I will. Actually, no, because I could get other glue. So, no. Okay. Oh, no, we spilled it. We're good. Wait, is it my turn?
No, it's my turn.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Chill, bro.
Okay, there you go. Violet
hate
food
this.
coloring. Okay. Oh!
There's no more violet.
Yellow food
Okay, there's no
coloring.
more violet, so I get a redo.
Oh, yay. So that means I can't go yet. Color balls.
Yeah.
Okay, calm down.
Don't get your blue hands on me.
Okay. Activator. Do I have to put that in right now?
Yeah.
Well, I pretty much all I need already.
Lexi, you said that on camera.
I said, don't you freaking dare. So what? Oh, that's my armpit. Color balls again.
That's.
So yeah, I have to have twice as. Got it.
5.
Glue. Boo.
I take.
Okay. You take. Oh, my voice.
Your voice.
Bro, do you hear that? I have way too much activator. Dang it.
You're gonna lose because that's all the glue you're gonna end up getting. Your turn. Oh, it's
No,
my
it's
turn.
yours. Stupid.
Are you flipping?
It hates you.
Yes!
Fudge you.
You can take if you want.
I already have it.
Yeah, but you can take it, so I don't.
Blue food coloring. Got it.
I don't think you get the point of the take thing. Because if you
Okay.
take it, then I don't get the activator. And that means if I keep spinning and don't get activated, then I can't make a slime.
I don't care. I'm sorry, I don't care.
Okay. I don't know what round this is. Are you freaking retarded? Yes, you are. Okay. What does pink and green make?
You're ugly.
It is red. It's gonna be brown.
You have to still have it.
Oh, come out, you stupid glue. It doesn't want to come out, so I don't have to have it.
Yeah, you do. It can come out. I know that for a fact.
Just leave me alone. Go. It's your turn. There. Happy?
No, we need more. Yes. Pink glue.
Retarded.
I freaking hate you, McCurdy. I'm gonna kill her eventually.
I'll get turquoise.
Wait, yeah, I'm happy because now I get more glue with all this activator. Bro, this is gonna be like a really purple.
Okay. It's her turn, but...
See? Boom. You can get
Do you want me to spin for you?
No.
It said hurry up. Hurry. Fight me. Uh-huh. You got violet glue.
Oh. Wait, that's just gonna make it more purple. I bet mine's gonna be purple at the end already.
I haven't gotten violet glue at all today.
I've gotten every round. I
That's a
seriously
brag.
have.
No, you didn't. You didn't get last one.
Yeah, I did.
No, you did.
Yeah, I did.
When?
But it was in yours, remember?
Okay.
You're gonna have to wash that.
I already got activator. I'm making you have it.
You can't make me.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you had
You don't want to hurt me.
I didn't mean to. But you have to have
Oh,
it.
it says lotion.
That says activator. That says activator. Boom.
I can't read it backwards. Okay, go.
You're gone. Bro, look what's directly in the way.
I don't fucking care. There.
Dang it, activator. No!
At least I didn't dump the whole bottle in.
Freaking hate you, bro. You're a boot. Quit boot. She's the worst booch in this world.
At least I don't act like a child. Grow up.
Yeah, you.
More blue food color.
Oh my gosh, my finger.
Oh, there's no violet.
So I have to spin again.
No, it should be violet blue. I'm just kidding.
No, you got. Shut up.
She's just in violet glue.
This is. Wait, what round are we on? I got pink glue. It's perfect can come out, so you have to open it. Open it. Bro, look at this. It's ugly. I hate this. I absolutely hate it. Really? Really?
Oh, I put it back and I had some in. Ouch. That hurt. I seriously wanted to be.
It's just white glue.
Okay, cool.
Ow.
I think we have 2 more rounds.
Do you think or do you know?
I think.
I won glue because somebody poured some activator in here.
Crap!
That looks. Stop it, me crazy. I'm serious. Stop.
Oh, you don't have to hit me every single time I do something.
Yes, I do.
No.
No, I'm joking. Oh, dang it. More pink glue. That's enough. Pink glue? Apparently it's starting to be like pink glue. Red food coloring. Shoot. Bro, this is not going to work.
I hate pink glue.
Oh, dang it. 2 things.
Why did I even get pink glue? Freaking hell.
You have to go get it now. Did you put your pink glue in?
Yeah, it's right there.
Activator.
That was the 3rd time.
Wait, no, you already rock, paper, scissors me.
And I had to do it. I got it. It's the 3rd time, so I get to redo it. To spin. Because I ended up with it.
Yeah, go.
So I can either rock, paper, scissors. Wait.
No, you can't, because
Yeah,
you
no.
only can use it once, you said. And it was supposed to be on your 3rd time,
No.
but you didn't.
This is the 3rd time that I've gotten it. And I can either rock, paper, scissors, shoot you. And if I win, I get to pick any item. But if I lose, you get to pick any item for me. Or I can just respin. So here I go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom. Ooh, what do I want for you?
I would be nice to you. Just saying.
That doesn't mean I'll be nice to you. Sorry, I have to be cruel. Put this in. Yellow food coloring. You have to do at least 1 drop. 1 drop.
You can't make me. You pick my item. I get to pick. You can't do it for me. You tried doing it for me, so now I get added in yours.
No, you actually did activator for me, so I get to do. I'm doing 1 drop. Come on.
No.
You put activator in mine. So I get at least do 1 drop of.
I'd take a redo.
No, you already did it. Sorry, I can't. Okay, I'm just doing 1 drop.
You're rude. I would have been nice to you. I at least
Fine, I'll
asked
do
you
something else.
what one you would have wanted.
What do you want?
I want the purple glue. But you can pick something else.
Good thing that did not land in one of the things. Okay, it's my turn. Wait, how about... I've got pink glue 3 times. Or 4.
Yeah, so next time you get it, you can spin twice or...
Silver glitter glue. Shoot.
It doesn't do anything. It just makes it sparkly. I don't know what that was.
I don't...
I'm so sad. Look how full this is, guys. Look how full this is, you guys.
If you guys haven't seen that, that was hilarious.
This looks completely full, but it's like...
It's not. It's just all over the sides.
It's my turn. I hope I get whatever color I got again. Yellow food. Green food coloring.
Glue! Wait, bro, isn't this the last round?
One more. Just because it's the last round. I think I'm going to need more activator.
Red food coloring. Dang it.
I hope this is...
Wait, this is the 3rd time. I'll call respin.
Oh, you can do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I would do rock, paper, scissors, shoot because you could end up getting a bad color.
Sure, I will. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! Now you have to have it.
No, that's not how it works. You pick whatever item you want and add it to yours.
Oh, whatever item.
Yeah.
I want lotion.
Oh no, I forgot about lotion. I don't even need lotion.
Last round.
Something good like lotion or...
Hard to get lotion. Green food coloring.
Wait, that's the 4th time. She's gonna be mean this time if she wins.
No.
Yes, you are. I know you, Lexi. I'm gonna respin.
Dang it.
Hey, that's actually pretty nice.
It's got blue glitter glue. Okay. Watch, I get it.
Yeah, I'm definitely...
Red food coloring. Dang
Did
it.
I get activated?
Wait, this is the 4th time. Can I just... I'm just spinning again.
I hope you get yellow.
If I do, I'm gonna freak out. How about we can choose out the 2 or something? Oh, violet glue. Cool. Okay. I'm cool. I'm cool. Bro, I have so much glue. I might need some more activator. Good thing it's unlimited.
I'm mixing my...
Bro, this is so cool. Oh, shoot. Oops. Okay. Well, we're mixing.
mine.
We'll show you the final
This
results.
is what mine looks like so far.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do my slime reveal, but while I do my slime reveal, I'm gonna add in the foam beads.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I'll get mine. Whoa, bro. Do you really want that many foam beads? That's a lot. Actually, I probably should have done that with my slime. Because that looks good.
Should I say that?
So you definitely did enough because you had to at least have 2 pinches. I think that's more than 2 pinches. Oh, there's hair in that. It's like you're trying to sneeze yet laugh.
I was gonna laugh because I don't think you were expecting me to sneeze. Okay, so I'm gonna line out all my slimes and show you guys what all my slimes look like, and then
Wait, what about mine?
we'll do yours in just a second. Just chill, bro.
So because like mine isn't fully ready yet. Because I'm trying to get off my hands.
Okay,
Oh, it's not coming off my
this is
hands.
round 2 and this is round 1. I like, honestly, this one is the biggest, but the foam beads make your slime expand.
So I'm gonna go wash my hands.
But they get foam beads everywhere. And then this one is, I know. Okay, I'm gonna give you all the hashtags now. So if you guys already said the hashtag, that's fine, but I'll give you new hashtags now because I just can't remember what that is. So this one is hashtag mermaid. If you think I won round 1, hashtag mermaid. And round 2, hashtag purple Laffy Taffy. And for round 3, hashtag blue flame. I said that with an accent. Blue flame. Sorry. Blue flame is going in here because that one's the biggest. And next. Okay, and then this one, hashtag mermaid one, is going in here. This stupid, I don't want to say that. I took out your signs because you're just going to put them in the Ziploc baggie since you're team.
Oh no, this one isn't stretchy anymore.
That was just from round 1. I just took it out though, so it should be fine. Oh, it's not.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I'm going to put one of my signs in the Ziploc baggie. Okay, in the Ziploc baggie. Okay, so do you want to do your sign stuff now while I pick up?
1 second.
So she's going to do her signs for a second. I'm going to put my signs up and she'll be with you guys next. So we'll have us here next, yeah.
Okay, so this is my round 3. So here's my poke. Yeah, that's actually good. Then my crackle. Stretch. And that's actually really stretchy. Oh, dang my voice. What's the other one? Oh, swirl. Yeah. I always forget about swirl when I do my stretch.
Whoa, I'm still over here.
So let's retry that. So Insta swirl, which is gonna yeah, that is that. Okay, good. And then so here's my round 1 again. Pink, that's actually pretty. And if you look, it's actually about the exact same pink, almost, just this one's so off. But it's okay on stretchiness, it's not stretchy. But Insta swirl. Whoa! The poke isn't that good. But, okay, my round 2. It's actually, instead of being ugly green, it is now like a gold. And it's probably my best one. Because, like, see, look.
Because I helped you.
I like it. Oh, oops.
I'm going to throw this one away because I think it's gone.
Yeah.
I'll just keep it for now. Just
And then my round 3, which is actually good. Just, I think my round 2 is better. They're actually about the same, just round 2's. You count the color, round 3 is better. I think round 2 is just a little better on stretchiness now, because see this. See, it breaks there. And this one. And then this one. I can actually grab it. I'll break there. So, yeah. And this one has the colored beads too. So, bye guys. Please subscribe.
If you guys like this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications because hopefully I post every day. We'll see if that's true or not.